everyone, welcome to Ima's Chef Recipes. In today's video we are going to make white chocolate, this time with cocoa butter. Last time I made a video on how to make white chocolate without cocoa butter, but in this recipe we are going to use cocoa butter in making our white chocolate. So that's what we are going to make in today's video. So but before I get into the work of today, the kitchen stuff, I would like to say, if today is the first time of coming to my channel, you're welcome. And if you're an old viewer, a returning viewer, you're also welcome back to this channel. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please feel free to click that red button that says subscribe. At the same time, remember to click the bell, because when you click the bell, whenever we upload any new videos, you get to be notified. That is the essence of clicking the bell. That is the essence of clicking the bell. So let's dive into the kitchen.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through.
Hello guys, I hope you guys enjoyed what we made in our recipe chocolates with cocoa butter. Yes, we made those chocolates. Just the difference with the one I made before is what? The cocoa butter. I used butter in making the other one, but this one I used cocoa butter. So I hope you can see it. Let's give it a test. This is yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. whenever I make things like this, they are like, wow. So today will be their day. So I hope you enjoyed what we made, and if there is any other thing you feel like to add or to subtract in our today's recipe, please feel free to let me know below the comment section. At the same time, don't forget to like our videos, subscribe as well. Subscribe for more videos, because when we subscribe, it motivates us to make more videos like this one. So thank you for liking, thank you for sharing, thank you for subscribing to our channel, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.